Jennifer, and it's an exciting day because I'm showing you guys how to make some Stranger Things inspired DIYs. Ya girl is obsessed with Stranger Things, and like so is the rest of the world. Except for this like one dude that I talked to, but like he's canceled. Side note, I am sorry for that cringy 11 intro, like the Also, I'm gonna be having a meetup at Beautycon New York. Make sure you get tickets so we can meet, talk about Stranger Things, talk about Shawn Mendes, and just fangirl in general. So I'll leave the link down below to get the tickets. Make sure to like this video, not just emotionally, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you don't subscribe, a Demogorgon will come get you in your sleep. Make sure to also tap that notification bell, and if you do turn on notifications, let me know down below because you might be shout out of the week at the end of my next video. I think that is all that I have to say. Let's just get started. So we're first gonna start out with the Stranger shirt. I got this ringer tee from Forever 21 for like $10. You can definitely use any kind of plain shirt that you have. I just thought this kind of t-shirt matched the 80s / Stranger Things vibe. So basically I'm gonna freehand the word Stranger Things onto my t-shirt. If you don't feel comfortable freehanding, you can definitely print out the words and then cut out the letters and then stencil it on. Obviously you can also do like a t-shirt transfer method by printing out your design onto transfer paper and then iron it on, but I enjoy doing these things, so yeah. I basically drew out the entire design with pencil first, and then I went in with some black fabric paint and then just went over that. You can do red or black or whatever color you would like. I thought since the borders of the shirt were already red, I might as well do black. Although I tried my best to make it look as perfect as possible, I definitely messed up in some parts, but that's totally fine because you can go for that like distressed look and kind of like rough it up a little bit so it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna be honest, this did take me quite a while, so I just put on a show. I actually wasn't watching Stranger Things while doing this. I feel like I'm cheating on Stranger Things, but still love you, Stranger Things. So what I did was I used a thinner brush for the outline / the outside to get more precise, and then on the inside I just used a wider brush to fill everything in. This way it stays within the lines and it's easier for you to control where you paint and where you don't paint. So here's just some time-lapse footage of me painting on the shirt. I really love watching time lapses. I thought you guys would like this too, so enjoy. I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Really point two just to hurt you. All red lamb just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table come from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face when I love my babe. You talking money, need a hearing aid. And there we go, that is the t-shirt. It was really fun for me to make this, and I think it turned out really cute. Moving on to the Stranger mug. So this one I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with all of them. This one is one of those designs where it lists all the names of a show. So for this one, it would be Mike and Lucas and Dustin and Levin and Will. I used a Sharpie paint pen marker because this is gonna allow it to stay on the mug a lot better than a regular Sharpie. And if you mess up, don't worry, you can totally just get some rubbing alcohol and rub that right off. So that's what I did right here for the mic. Here's my first ampersand. It looks really bad, but as I go on, my ampersands actually get a lot better. Like you can see it getting progressively better. And feel free to use different fonts for each person or use a whole different font in general because it's totally up to you what kind of design you're going for. I think it would actually be easier if you did cursive for each name because it's easier to control on a mug. See what works best for you and see what's easiest. And of course, I had to write Will upside down because basic Stranger Things knowledge, he's in the upside down. And once you're done putting on your design, you want to bake it in the oven. This is just gonna make it stay on the mug so that it doesn't wash off when you wash it or scratch it, that kind of stuff. And this is how it turned out. This is so cute, so simple, and I am literally obsessed. Also, I know that I'm missing Max, but we're gonna just stick with the season 1 kids because I couldn't fit her in there, so maybe next time. Red wine drip, talk that trash. Chauffeur eavesdropping, trying not to crash. Let's go.
Indiana, circa 1983. Just for boys in the basement chillin' playing.
Alright, next up I'm making my stranger phone case. First of all, I'm taking the paper template from my phone case and tracing that onto white computer paper. And basically I found this really cute Stranger Things phone case on Go Case, but it didn't have the case for my type of phone, so I decided to draw it myself. And we've already established that I like drawing and stuff, so this is what I'm doing. Basically the concept is Mom Steve, because we all love Mom Steve. Steve was a failure at being a boyfriend, but he was definitely not a failure at being a mother and a babysitter. So hashtag Team Steve. So basically we have Steve in the middle with his weapon of choice, and then all the children behind him because he's here to protect, he's here to attack. We love a good mother Steve. So basically I just drew it out with pencil first, and then I took a fine liner and then I just traced it all out. So after I was done outlining everything, I just took an eraser and erased all of the pencil marks. Then I went in with my pencil crayons and I just colored everything in, obviously. I'm also gonna take a picture of this design once it's done, and I'll link it down below so that if you want to use it, you can print it out and use it for your phone. If you want to, I don't know. This obviously doesn't look as good as the real one, but I think I did a pretty good job. And then I just cut out the piece of paper, and then I put it into the case face down, and then put my phone in just so that I could trace out the hole for the camera and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I did. I traced it out, took it out of the case, and then I just cut that out. And once that was cut out, I just put it back into the case, and there we go. We have a really cute phone case that took honestly quite a while, but I think it was pretty successful. I'll put the link to the actual phone case and the link to my drawing down below. And there we have our stranger case. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely did. Shout out of the week right here, and that is pretty much it. I will see you guys next time. Bye!